to my channel. My today's recipe is coconut ladoo with jaggery. It's only a two-step process and requires only 2 ingredients. It's super simple, easy and great for any occasion. So please do try the recipe this way and I'm sure you'll love it. My channel, all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. To make the coconut ladoo, first I'm going to add 200 grams of grated coconut. Here I'm using frozen coconut. However, if you can use fresh coconut, that would be best. And here I'll take 3/4 to 1 cup of jaggery. Comes to about 100 grams. You can give more or less depending on your preference of sweetness. Now we will turn on the oven and at a low flame, we will cook this. We will see that the jaggery will first melt and then the mixture will start turning gooey. So continue cooking this at a low flame. As you can see, the jaggery has now melted and the mixture has turned gooey. Now we will continue to cook this a little bit more till most of the moisture evaporates. It should still be a little bit moist, so continue cooking this at a low flame. Most of the moisture has now dried up. Now we will add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you don't like cardamom, then you can skip this. You can also add some chopped cashews if you like that in a ladoo. So now we will just mix this well and then turn off the stove and transfer the mixture in a separate container. I have transferred the coconut mixture in a separate container. Now we will cool this down till the mixture is still slightly warm. You don't want to cool it down completely, so just when it is slightly warm. Our coconut mixture is now slightly warm, so now we will start making the coconut ladoo. You can make it in any size you want. So basically, take a handful of this and first just squeeze that the way I'm doing here. So you can see that it's binding well and then you go ahead and give it a shape. So this is how our coconut ladoo looks like. So go ahead and make the ladoos from the rest of the coconut mixture. Our coconut ladoos are completely ready. I got 7 coconut ladoos from the mixture. You can get more or less depending on the size of the ladoos. This is a really easy, super tasty recipe. Please do try the recipe this way and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.